Commercial banks' ability to create money depends on which of the following. So in this question, we're asked which of the following option choices determines the commercial bank's ability to create money. A. The existence of a central bank. This is incorrect because the existence of a central bank isn't critical for the commercial bank's ability to create money. It simply helps the process, where the commercial banks may take loans out from the central bank, but that's only if they lack the money themselves, and therefore the commercial bank doesn't quite require a central bank to create money. So A is incorrect. B. A fractional reserve banking system. This seems to be the correct answer because a fractional reserve banking system means that when a bank receives a deposit, they must hold a certain percentage of that deposit, and then they're allowed to loan out the rest of that deposit. And because they loan out that money, then they're able to create money as they're able to just give that money out for other people to spend or to save. So through loans and through the fractional reserve banking system, a bank is able to create money. So overall, B seems to be the correct answer. C. Gold or silver reserves backing up the currency. This is incorrect because, for example, the US doesn't have gold or silver reserves backing up the currency, but commercial banks are still able to create money. So gold or silver reserves backing up the currency aren't a requirement for the commercial bank to create money. So C is incorrect. D. A large national debt. This is incorrect because the country doesn't need to have a large national debt for a commercial bank to create money. There are cases where the national debt might be small or even zero when the commercial bank can still create money. So D is incorrect. E. The existence of both checking accounts and saving accounts. This is incorrect because the existence of both these accounts aren't critical for the banks to create money. They simply need people to make deposits into the bank, and that determines whether the bank is able to create money, not the existence of checking and saving accounts. So E is incorrect, and thus the correct answer is B.